Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a lucca espresso machine. Now this machine was broken because there was a hissing noise over here on the machine, and that was one of these. Let me show you. My phone just died. It was that little valve that was leaking. This is the pressure gauge that you see right here. This is where it's connected to the boiler, and this is the piece that was really leaking. So we pretty much deep clean everything, seal it perfectly, and yeah, make sure there's no any leaks or anything like that. We also did a tune up of the machine, descale the whole boiler, replace the shower screen as well as the gasket, deep clean everything, back flush it, and yeah, when we were descaling the machine there was a really strong smell inside the boiler. Maybe there was other descaling inside, not very sure, but we pretty much got rid of that thing, and yeah, now the machine is working perfectly fine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. As you can see, we get good water flow, good crema coming out of the machine. A little too fast, but still pretty good. Steamer. Looking perfectly fine, as you can see. Having excellent pressure over here. Really great temperature. And hot water. And there you have it, lucca espresso machine working once again. Thank you for your Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.